After months of rumors, blurred photos, and complete silence from Tesla headquarters, the news finally dropped. Elon Musk has officially unveiled the battery that could change the future of electric vehicles forever. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 will run on a brand new aluminum-based battery that costs just $1,350 per pack. That's not a typo. A full electric vehicle battery for less than a second-hand smartphone. And here's what's driving everyone wild. This battery can power a car for up to 550 miles on a single charge. That's farther than many gas-powered vehicles, and it's not just a concept. It's real, it's been tested, and it's coming faster than anyone expected. Just months ago, Elon Musk publicly admitted that Tesla's biggest problem wasn't innovation, it was battery production. The company simply couldn't build battery packs fast enough to meet demand. Now, that problem appears to be solved, and not with a minor upgrade. Tesla's engineers have introduced a whole new kind of battery technology that's cheaper, lighter, safer, and way more efficient than anything the world has seen. Let's start with the obvious question. How can a $1,350 battery pack power a modern EV and deliver over 500 miles of range? It sounds like science fiction. But the trick isn't in some rare material or secret formula. The answer is aluminum. Aluminum is significantly cheaper than lithium, which is what most electric car batteries use today. In 2025, lithium costs about $5,500 per ton, while aluminum is just $1,800 per ton. That's a massive difference. But Tesla didn't stop at simply switching metals. Through its unique relationship with SpaceX, Tesla now recycles aluminum from decommissioned rocket parts. These are high-grade materials already designed for extreme conditions. By repurposing them, Tesla slashes raw material costs by up to 70%. Then comes the manufacturing magic. Tesla created a new production method called Quantum Forge. This AI-driven process laser etches battery cells at the nanoscale, dramatically reducing waste and improving precision. Traditional lithium battery manufacturing costs about $120 per kilowatt-hour. With Tesla's new method, it drops to just $30 per kilowatt-hour. That's a game changer, not just for Tesla, but for the entire electric vehicle industry. Because this process doesn't need expensive cooling systems, rare metals, or complicated internal structures, Tesla's aluminum batteries are built with 50% fewer components. Fewer parts mean less room for things to break, faster production, and lower costs. Everything about this design screams simplicity and efficiency. Tesla also introduced its micro-Giga strategy. Instead of building massive battery factories in one location, they're opening smaller, localized factories in multiple U.S. states. These facilities are set up close to Tesla's vehicle plants, which slashes transportation costs by nearly 40%. Batteries no longer need to be shipped across oceans or trucked across the country. They're made and installed in the same place. So the cost savings are clear. But what about performance? This battery pack doesn't just go far, it goes farther than anyone thought possible. Traditional lithium batteries waste a good chunk of energy as heat. Up to 35%, in fact. But Tesla's aluminum batteries retain over 95% of their charge. That means nearly all the energy you pump into the battery is used to move the car forward. Tesla also redesigned the entire powertrain to work seamlessly with the new battery. By making the battery part of the car's structure, they removed over 300 pounds of dead weight. That makes the vehicle lighter, faster, and more energy efficient. The Model 2's aerodynamic body consumes just 3.8 miles per kilowatt-hour. With a 35 kilowatt-hour battery pack, you're looking at over 550 miles of real-world range. And charging? That's been overhauled too. Because the battery doesn't need liquid cooling, it can be charged faster without the risk of overheating. It holds power longer and charges quicker. Tesla is even changing how it talks about batteries, calling this new one a mobility power cartridge instead. Safety is another major upgrade. After the Cybertruck's fire incident in 2025, Tesla took battery safety seriously. The aluminum-ion battery doesn't use flammable liquid electrolytes like lithium ones do. Instead, it relies on a solid-state structure that doesn't overheat, doesn't catch fire, and doesn't explode. Tesla's lab tests showed the ignition rate of this battery is practically zero, even under extreme heat or pressure. The battery is also lined with a phase-changing foam that absorbs heat and redistributes it. Internal temperatures never go above 99 degrees Fahrenheit, even under stress. There are no internal wires either. Instead, Tesla uses graphene-enhanced electromagnetic channels that eliminate spark risks entirely. It's safe, solid, and incredibly durable. Tests in 2025 were extreme. Tesla engineers dropped the battery from over 300 feet, shot it with firearms, and exposed it to open flames over 1,800 degrees. In every scenario, the battery refused to catch fire. It melted down into a harmless powder, and in some cases, began to repair itself using moisture from the air. That brings us to how this battery changes the car itself. In the 2026 Tesla Model 2, the battery is the skeleton of the car. It holds everything together. With this structural integration, Tesla eliminates hundreds of frame components. That means fewer parts, lower manufacturing complexity, and less material waste. Interior space also gets a boost. Without traditional wiring and cooling components, the Model 2 gains 17% more cabin room. Tesla even added a hidden storage compartment under the back seats for gear or an extra battery module. And when the battery does start to wear out, no more paying $10,000 for a full pack. Each cell is individually replaceable for about $50 to $100. Tesla's app will tell you exactly which cell needs replacing and how to do it yourself. Or, if you're in a rush, visit one of Tesla's new battery swap stations. They'll replace the whole thing in 90 seconds for just $2,000. So when's this all happening? Right now, 20 Model 2 test vehicles are driving across the US, registered under a fake company name used by Tesla for secret projects. They're being tested in all environments: cold mountains, hot deserts, long highways. Tesla's planning a public reveal by September 2025, likely as one of Elon's signature surprise live streams. Production kicks off in May 2026, and the first batch of vehicles will be delivered to veterans, rural towns, and disaster-prone areas by the end of the year. General public sales begin in early 2027, with international models hitting the market soon after. This isn't just a battery. It's a new way of thinking about cars, energy, and affordability. With a 550-mile range, fast charging, near-zero fire risk, and a price that breaks all expectations, Tesla's aluminum-ion battery could make electric cars more accessible than ever before. And by the time most automakers catch up, Tesla may already be rolling out something even crazier.